Hi guys, so for our lesson we did on Chapter 12, Consumer and Community Health. Lesson 51 was Managing Time and Money and the standards NHES 6 and 7. The objective of our lesson is for students will learn how to manage time and money. For the student do now, when students arrive for class, they will have a survey to complete for the do now, and they have to check yes or no if they do those. Part 1 of the lesson, Managing Time. We will begin the class discussion by asking students to brainstorm things that they feel they have never have time to do. Ask the class to think of what is causing them to feel that they don't have enough time. Before we go over the activity, we will explain that in order to have time management, we must consider everything we have to do and want to do during the day, consider how much each activity will take, and make a plan that will help us through the day.
So the activity that we will include our lesson will be us handing out a worksheet for the class that they will fill out in the following chart, and on the left side will be their have-tos, which will be things that they have to get done in their everyday life, for example, like homework. And then on the right side will be the want-tos, so the things that they want to do but don't have to do. So it would be like watching a basketball game at night. And next to each activity, they will have to estimate the amount of time that it will take, and they can write as many activities as they want. We will also include an activity with managing money. We will discuss as a class the importance of managing money, and the students must read the situation given to them and come up with a solution. We will tell them that they spent all their allowance on video games at the arcade on Tuesday afternoon. Now, they don't have enough money for school lunches for the rest of the week. How would they solve the problem? And for our assessment, they will be assessed on their knowledge of managing time and money, and they will have to pick whether they want to manage the money situation and write a solution of what they would do in that situation and hand it into us before class ends, or we will assess the students on the schedule that they design that they will use in their everyday life to manage their time. Lastly, students will be assessed on their participation and engagement as we discuss these topics as a class.